In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. We'll walk through creating clear shift events, inviting your team, and setting up recurring rotations so your schedule practically manages itself. Start by opening your web browser and heading to calendar.google.com. When your calendar loads, it may default to a weekly or another view. Choose the view that matches how you like to plan. Day view is great for fine detail, week view gives a full picture of coverage, month helps with long-term planning, and schedule lists everything in order. Next, click the exact date and time when a shift begins. This opens a new event window where you'll enter the details, give the event a clear, consistent title like morning shift, afternoon shift, or night shift so everyone immediately understands what they're looking at. Sticking to the same naming pattern also makes it faster to search for shifts later. Set the start and end times for the shift. Accurate times define working hours and help Google Calendar flag potential conflicts. Double check AM and PM and confirm the time zone if your team spans locations. If the shift happens at a specific place, add it in the location field. This reduces back and forth and makes directions just a click away. If your team is remote, you can leave this blank. Use the description field to outline responsibilities, special instructions, and any important reminders your team should see before they show up. Clear notes here prevent misunderstandings later. Invite the assigned team members by entering their email addresses in the Add Guests field. Once you save, they'll receive a calendar invitation and can add the shift to their own view. Before saving, review everything: title, times, location, and notes. Then click Save to add the shift to your calendar. For shifts that repeat, open the event, choose Edit, find the Does Not Repeat option, and use the drop-down to select how often it repeats, like weekly or bi-weekly. If your rotation doesn't match the default options, select Custom, set a specific interval, such as every 2 weeks, and add an end date if needed. Click Save again to apply the recurring schedule. To make the calendar easy to scan at a glance, assign colors to different shifts or teams. Consistent color coding helps you spot coverage and roles quickly. Over time, consistent titles, times, and colors will turn your calendar into a single trusted source for coverage. By following these steps, you'll have a clear, reliable shift schedule in Google Calendar that keeps your team aligned and informed.